Hello everyone, I'm Jacob, this is Gosha. Today we are in Sri Lanka and we are visiting... What is it?
Nine Arch Bridge.
Yeah, which is pretty famous, is also kind of the sign of colonial time here in Sri Lanka. And this is what we want to show you from different perspectives. Yeah, usually people coming here by tuk-tuk, but we are traveling around everywhere, so we decided to come by our scooter because it's giving us more freedom. Also, you can get some fresh coconuts, and also if you're hungry, for sure you can have a nice local meal here around. It's really nice here, but yeah, for the place like this,
Same issue as usual. Like,
yeah.
People.
Oh no, people. Yeah, but if you are more than beginner with your camera, you can catch some nice shots without people. So yeah, you see, almost
no people.
Oh, no people, almost. Okay, let's go down to the bridge, under the bridge. But we have to be careful because there we have, like, under every single, I don't know, gap, you have wasp nests, so we need to be careful. And also flying drone is here not allowed, but the guard just give me a permission.
It's not allowed. You cannot say it's not allowed. It's just not advised, because the wasps, when they get angry that something is disturbing their space, they can just attack the drone. So you can fly.
Or people on the bridge.
But this is just, yeah.
That's why I'm flying far away. And of course, all picture you can see and watch on our Instagrams. All links you have below.
Interesting about the bridge is the fact that there is no steel or any metal construction used to build this one. So it's only concrete and stones and bricks for the whole construction, and it means that it's all holding just by the law of physics.
So guys, I hope you like it, and one more tip from me: the best way to take good pictures is just to check when the train have a schedule, and then you can have a nice pictures and shots with the train. But also with the train you will for sure not avoid a lot of people, right?
Yeah, that's true. At the timing when the train is coming, there is a lot of tourists doing the exact same thing, so it might be a little bit difficult to get around the crowd, but it's better to be there.
Yeah, for sure. So if you want to see and watch our videos and our, of course, short videos and pictures, watch our Instagrams. Links are below, and thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.